Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi gives clean education, clean school mantra, interacts with millions of students on Teachers' Day, says work hard, play hard, sweat hard. Prime Minister live address to students is the purpose served. Students found Modi's Hindi hard to digest. Teachers say timing was odd, audio problem at many places. Hundreds of illegal occupants from Baina gather at Panji, take out morcha to CM's residence in Altin, demand withdrawal of notices, rehabilitation before demolition. Supreme Court orders to release all under trial prisoners who have served half of sentence period. Officers to visit jails from 1st October. And Vodafone and GFDC Rising Stars Festival returns with Mega Season 2. 3,000 trainees to play over 1,000 matches in Goa's biggest grassroots football league. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Modi says he is a disciplined taskmaster. He had a direct interaction with millions of school students across India on the Teachers' Day. Appealing the budding India to work hard, play hard and sweat hard, Prime Minister stressed on the concept of teachers and students cleaning own school premises. He, along with HRD Minister Smriti Irani, released Clean Education and Clean School book. Around 12,500 central schools and 12 million students interacted with the Prime Minister via video conferencing for the first time.
हम सभी टीचर और स्टूडेंट मिल करके स्कूल में सफाई करते हैं, टॉयलेट वगैरह सब हम मिल करके सफाई करते हैं और ये हमारे स्कूल में हमारे यानी चरित्र निर्माण का एक हिस्सा है। आप हिंदुस्तान में ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर सकते? हम इसको एक राष्ट्रीय चरित्र कैसे बनाएं और ये बन सकता है, इसको बनाया जा सकता है। देखिए, मैं टास्क मास्टर तो हूं, मैं काम खुद भी बहुत करता हूं और काम खूब लेता भी हूं और समय पे काम हो इसका आग्रही भी, और शायद मैं इतना डिसिप्लिन न होता और मैंने शायद खुद से भी इतना ही काम लिया है, लेकिन अनुभव लेने का आधार वो बनता है कि आपकी शिक्षा कैसी हुई है। और इसलिए मेरे जीवन में शिक्षा का भी, शिक्षकों का भी, संस्कार का भी उतना ही महत्व रहा है जितना मैं अनुभव में से अच्छी अच्छी चीजें पकड़ने लग गया। तो मेरे लिए दोनों का उपयोग हुआ है। टीचर के लिए भी कोई आगे, कोई पीछे, कोई ऊपर, कोई नीचे नहीं होता, सबके सब अपने होते हैं। बालक के सवाल बालक जैसे होने चाहिए। हमारे भीतर के बालक को कभी मुरझाने मत दीजिए। भीतर के बालक को जिंदा रखना चाहिए, वो आपको जिंदा रखता है। और इसलिए हंसते खेलते, ये उम्र ऐसी है बच्चे जिसमें बहुत कुछ नया जानना समझना, ये हिम्मत होती है। छोटा बालक दीवार पे चढ़ना है तो डरता नहीं है, वो उसका मन करता है, चढ़ पाए नहीं चढ़ पाए अलग बात है, कोशिश करता है। वही तो बालक मन की ताकत होती है। वो जितना आप जी पाएंगे जिंदगी जीने की, वो एक बहुत बड़ी औसत आपके जीवन के साथ जुड़ जाएगी।
Seems like many students in Goa couldn't digest Prime Minister's address well. Students were seen leaving the speech halfway. Some were restless while the speech was live on big screens. Barring one or two schools, many could not get the gist of Prime Minister's speech in Hindi. Some found audio problems distracting and irritating. Prudent reports the ground zero response in the schools to Prime Minister's address.
Teachers said students faced language problem as Prime Minister's Hindi was proving heavy. Some said the timing was bit odd.
They don't understand Hindi. They are the student level and the level at which the Prime Minister is speaking.
Mood was lost because the time was odd, or afternoon time, and the speech was not so clear.
While on a message derived from Prime Minister's address, this was students' take.
For all the kids to know about what he has to, about his views of his school days.
It was very inspirational, and the Prime Minister has good plans for us. Each and every city in India will get better education, students will rise.
Now this is Rosary High School. Looks like PM's seasoned speech was too much for the tender age. Some students sat and just listened for the sake of discipline, while some got bored and left the hall. At Hedgewar, the scene was a bit different. Parents were dropping in tiffins to their wards as the address was scheduled in the afternoon. But the students seemed pretty clear on Prime Minister's message.
अमके हितून आवड आसा त्याच हितून वचून आपले ते भविष्य घडोवंक जाय. मोदीचें भाशण इन्स्पिरेशनल आशिल्लें. आतां तुका कितें जावंक जाय तेच जा आनी ते प्रेशर आसा म्हणून ते बी करना.
म्हळ्या प्रमाणे आमकां जाय ते सदांच आमी जातून बरे आसा तातून फुडें वचूंक जाय.
Students of Almeida High School and St. Mary High School spoke clearly on Modi's address.
उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि अनुभव हमारा सबसे बड़ा गुरु होता है. और म्हणजे देव आणि आम्ही त्यांना रिस्पेक्ट करपा जाय.
And I hope all our children take a great knowledge from what he said.
There was much restlessness observed at Kursade. The audio was not proper, it distracted many. Some left the speech halfway, they candidly admitted.
ते बॉल मारताले आवाज सारके नासले.
आवाज येना असलो सारको आणि केनाच ते कशे जाले.
बरें जालें.
हां किती म्हणपा लागले की सांगले तेणे.
बॉल मारताले सगळे आयको येना.
मोदी उठून बाहेर गेले. आमको असपाक आशिल्ली म्हणून भायर मोदी अजून उलयता. अजून चलता न्ही स्पीच. उठून भायर येले. टिचरीन बी राव म्हणला. राव म्हणले पण आमी आयले. जेन्ना प्रोग्राम चालू आसलो तेन्ना तुमी स्टुडंट्स गेले आनी प्लस टिचर्स भायर वचपाक लागले. कारण कितें जालें हेजें. कित्याक पोडियम फूल आसलेलो. मागीर आतां सगळें रिकाम जालो. एकदम बारीक भुरगे आयले म्हणून ना कॉलेजीची भुरगीं गेलीं टिचर्स गेलीं. हेजें कारण कितें. टिचर कोण टिचर हायस्कूल टीचर गेले हायर सेकंडरी टीचर्स गेल्या. स्टुडंट्स गेले ऑलरेडी.
Students at Mormugao too had a typical reply.
बिजली बचाना और शैतानियाँ न करना और बड़े होके कुछ अच्छा इंसान बनना.
So very clearly defined how one man can make a difference. Like small steps towards success. He just, just a small program for Teachers' Day, but it included so many different areas.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Illegal occupants from Baina took a morcha at CM's residence in Altin to save their hutments from demolitions. Occupants gathered at Panji bus stand before marching to Altin. Currently, CM is on a foreign tour. Protesters handed over a memorandum to the Chief Minister's office. Mamladar and District Collector had issued notices to the occupants to vacate their illegal homes by 5th September for being under the CRZ. The deadline for hundreds of illegal occupants at Baina ended on Friday. South Goa Collector has issued demolition notices to the 205 illegal houses in Baina as they face threat of sea erosion. Occupants demand rehabilitation before the demolition of hutments. The demolition was scheduled on 5th September.
आता शोकॉज नोटीस ती आम्ही चॅलेंज केल्या मामलेदार हातून. दुसरी नोटिसाचेर आम्ही थंय रिप्लाय फायल केला डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन. आता हो लिगल प्रोसेस. तेंचे कडेन रेशन कार्ड आसा, आमचे कसले ते आधार कार्ड आसा, पासपोर्ट आसा, सगळे तरेची तेंचे कडेन फॅसिलिटी आसा. बाकी सगळी तरेची कार्ड आसा, हाऊस नंबर आसा. तांकां तर काडटले जाल्यार रिहॅबिलिटेशन करचें पडटा कायद्यान. म्हणजे दुसरे कडेन तांकां जागो घरा बांदून दिवची पडटा. डिमांड म्हणजे इमिजिएट डिमांड नोटीसी डेमोलिशन नोटीस विड्रॉ करच्यो.
आता सध्या पहिले आता ते 72 जाणां ऑलरेडी ते डेमोलिशन जाल्ले आसा. सध्या आता 201 जाणांक आता नोटीस इश्यू केल्ली आसा घरांक आनी हेज्या फुडें आनी म्हाका दिसता 400-500 घरांक आता थंय डेमोलिशन ऑर्डर येतली हेज्या मुखार.
Labour Union C2 has warned of law and order situation if hutments are demolished without a rehabilitation plan.
आमची सरकार मोडली, ते आमचे घर. हे गव्हर्नमेंट बंगलो गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या बंगल्यान आम्ही भितर सरतले आणि गव्हर्नमेंट बंगल्यान जो पळय रावता त्याका आम्ही जर्मनीक धाडटले घरा जर मोडली जाल्यार 2000, 3000, 5000, 10,000 लोक हांगा जमतलो आणि पुलिसाचे कडे तोडून भितर वयतलो.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. Panji police has arrested a member of chain snatching gang. Panji police arrested Asadullah Jafri, a native of Pune, after chase in Kalangut area. Police got clue of Jafri from a CCTV footage when he targeted a lady and snatched a Mangal Sutra in Sadines area. Police is looking for other 2 members of the gang. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.